Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to input the daily fuel reading and its invoice. Here, let's go to the C-Store. This is my dashboard. Your will be different. And when you go on your workflow, manager daily workflow. Usually you start from the manager daily workflow. So let's go there. Okay, this is how you're gonna see your screen when you open the C-Store. Here you can see sales and cash register, second number, fuel reconciliation, third, processing purchase, cash reconciliation, inventory, key performance indicators. So among all these six, I believe you all know about number one because you have been doing that on your daily basis. So this is something you have been doing for a long time. Today we are going to learn the number two, fuel reconciliation. So on fuel reconciliation, when you open here, you have your own store, but I have a multiple access. So I have multiple store here that I have to select. Let me select one of the store. Let me select 99. Okay, I select 99. Now it's open. So workflow quick track 99, you can see on the top, on left corner. And here is the number two, fuel reconciliation. Below that, you will see gasoline invoice entry, stick reading entry, check SIR, order fuel, enter competitor gas price. So among all this, we are learning only first three things. Gasoline invoice entry, stick reading entry, and check SIR. So these are the three things we are learning today. Let's go to the gasoline invoice entry. When you open the gasoline invoice entry, it's opening. Maybe our internet is a little bit slow. Okay, it's open here. So this is the invoice entry. And every time when you get the new delivery, you need to do this work. Other than that, you don't need to open this one. This is something you have to open when you get the delivery at the store. So when you click the gasoline invoice entry, on the top corner on the right hand side, you will see the create fuel invoice. When you click on the create fuel invoice, it will open the form like this. And here you can write the date, you can select the date. Then after on the fuel suppliers, there is designated fuel supplier. So just select what you have on the system. Invoice number. Check the invoice number on the report that you get during the delivery. And on the term, it will be always 7 days term. We have 7 days term. That is a constant for all stores. So it's going to be 7. Once you select the date, and here is the add new product on the fuel product, taxes and service, other charges, you don't need to do anything other than fuel product only. Just you need to work on fuel product. When you click on the add new, it will come like this. Select the fuel, okay, regular. How much gallon delivered? Just write the gallon. That has been delivered, like 1,000 gallon. Okay, 1,000 gallon. Just that's all you have to write. Don't worry and the net. That's the gross. Okay, let's say gross is 1,000. Net is something like 980 because every time net and gross they are different. In the summertime, gross will be more than net. In winter time, gross will be less than net. So there are always change like they will change. They never be the same thing. So don't worry about the cost per gallon, something like that. Okay, just your duty is to add the fuel product name and the net gallon and the gross gallon. And okay, second super, third diesel. So put the net, put the net, put the gross and put net over here. That's all. And then after you can save it. But I am not saving it right now because this is just a dummy work that I am performing right now. So I am doing cancel here. Once you work on here, go to the stick reading entry. This is something you have to do on daily basis. Every day, Don't forget to put your ending stick reading over here and inches if possible, and water level. Please put your water level. That will help to find out if you have something problem with the water in the tank or not. So every time, every day, please put the water level. Once you do everything, click on the check SAR. Um, don't forget to once you put here the data, like okay, go here on edit, put data 1 2 3, then after save it. Okay, I'm not saving it, so I'm doing reboot. I'm not doing anything because it is something Istro has to do later on. So I'm not doing anything over here. Just you can do the edit, and then you can put the data. If you click here and if you try to put the data, it won't work. You need to do edit first. Don't forget on that. So after that, go on check SIR, and you can check your SIR over here. If you click here, it will hide the menu, and you can see your SIR over here. Don't forget to check the SIR. Look, right now there is an issue. You have a 2,000 gallon sort over here on 99. You have delivery of 5,000 and you have a sort of 2,000. This happened because in 99 you have a two different regular tank. One is north and one is south. And I believe the driver he split and put the gas on both tank. But the back office got single invoice. That's why back office put that on one tank only. That's why you got this issue. Whenever store manager does the same work, it won't happen like this because the store manager will know where did the driver put the gasoline. So if you see here is a sort, and if you see all the way down, there is a regular E10, you will see here is a over. Look, that's the difference. That's the issue. And due to this, we are having a problem to figure out if there is something really issue with the SIR or it is just a technical error. And due to this assumption, we are having so many issues. And later on, we found like actually there was an issue which with a technical issue. So I don't want to have same thing again. So I would like manager to enter this data and monitor every day your e-store. If something issue, please let me know. Especially when you have a daily oversort with more than 100 gallon, please contact me immediately. And if the month to date is more than 300 gallon, contact me immediately. Sometimes there will be like a 36, 20, 36, 56, something like that here. And the month to date will cross 300 gallon. That time, contact me immediately. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching me.